Okay, we're getting ready to go to the woods.
Hell yeah.
In a two-door truck.
Two-wheel drive. Oh shit.
Let's see, handle driving. Of course, man in the middle.
Yeah. Right in Jordan.
And me.
Oh, baby sir.
Here we go.
My friend Brand. Brand.
Windows up.
Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah. Windows up.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Here goes nothing.
Hopefully there ain't no four-wheelers.
Yeah.
It's like we're going into a pit of mud.
Alrighty.
Shit. Woo!
Oh,
My God!
My ass hurts now.
Oh, got the police dragging. Whoa! Hell yeah! Oh, yeah.
Bouncing son of a bitch.
Shit! Got the blood hydraulics, don't you think? Oh! That was a bomb blast! Oh, hell yeah!
Here goes nothing. Yeah, now we're in a nice neighborhood.
Yeah. With an old lady and a leaf blower.
Yeah.
There she is. They're like, where the hell did that truck come from?
Yeah, we're in a nice, pretty neighborhood. Bitch ass fuckers.
Hey, don't that look like a sports car, that cloud? Well, yeah, it does.
I think we're dragging some too.
We probably are. Yeah, I can see it on the tires right there. See? You know
yeah. I ain't gonna Okay.
Oh, hell. Oh, they're coming this way. Hopefully they don't turn right. They don't want to go on the train.
Alrighty.
We're just acting casual. Yeah. Oh, hell.
Here we go.
Oh, God, y'all. Remember this?
Oh, shit. Here we go. Okay. We're going.
Here we go. Oh, shit. Oh, my name.
We came from that way.
Awesome! Hey!
Whoa! Hey, what's going on? Well, wait a minute, we could go the other way.
What other way?
Turn the other way around that way. Turn when you go in there, turn left.
Oh, yeah. Back to the house.
And we'll see how much mud we got in it now.
Let's see how many scratches we got now.
Raising the window.
Windows down.
Yeah. Alrighty. Let's test her out. Let's see what she looks like. A little muddier. There she goes. Ow.
Ta-da! The pipe is smoking. Is it really?
Got a little mud on it.
See? My pipe is still exhausting.
Yep. Let's see.
Oh my God! Scratches!
Got a little mud on time. Oh, look.
Oh shit, look at this one.
We dropped a limb. We dropped a few of them. Oh, somebody's back of the damn truck.
Damn!
Put that in the damn dumpster. More scratches. I can't see him right now. Dun 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 dun. Fucking
it was fun coming back the second time. We did flip over that time. We really did. We were like, whoa!
And we were okay. She's okay. She was driving. Of course, he was in the middle, screaming. Of course, me too. Almost slipped. But.
Alright. Everybody stop it. Alright, want to see this?
Yeah. We'll see y'all later.